Hi, I'm Priyanka Verma and the proud owner of Memories Worldwide Tours and Travel. I'm one among the few lucky ones whose passion and profession is same travel. So I started my journey almost 3 decades back when I did my MBA in tourism and acquired a lot of professional qualifications like ITA, and I did a lot of courses from various tourism boards of various countries. Since I worked for a lot of corporate world, I understood the business ethics, nitty-gritty of the travel industries, the rules, regulations, the visas, the systems, the procedures, and also I developed a lot of network all across the globe. So this helped me in forming my company way back in 2017. So Memories Worldwide is like my third child, and it's growing well. And I ensure that we create lasting experiences, happy, smiling faces, and whenever people travel, they have different needs of travel. So we ensure that we give them not only just the itinerary or the booking of hotels, we ensure that they get the wholesome experience of learning, creating memories, stress-free holidays, and they should come back to us again for their next holidays, and it does happen. So I get good testimony from almost all my clients, and they are my repeat clients, and I think that is my biggest strength. So this is what is all a little bit about Memories Worldwide, where we do all kind of tours, all kind of travel. We do all kinds of flight tickets. We do all kinds of railways, whether it is Indian Railways or Swiss Railways or Japan Railways. We are able to take care of that. We do all kinds of visas, maybe related to tourist or business, and we give them the correct guidance ki what is your background, what is your purpose of travel, how you should apply for visas. So that helps them getting their visas done. Then whether you need just a hotel or you just need the visa assistance or you need a guide or a tour escort once you reach a particular destination, or you just need a vehicle in Jharsuguda, we are here to provide you. So our network is strong and we always deal with the local person in that city or in that country. We don't deal with via agents, so that the ultimate experience or the end results has to be good. So when working with so many companies and working with all those people, traveled with so many people, I have understood the niche what people are looking for in a holiday. So we ensure that, and it helped me to create lasting impressions for them. So whether it is a senior citizens who travel, they want a slow pace itineraries. They don't want that it should be morning, evening, morning, evening. We give them a lot of sightseeings, and every second day we are giving them check-in, check-outs in different cities and hotels. So we ensure that it should not be like that. Their room selections, their hotel selections has to be very perfect. Their vehicles has to be very perfect where they can climb and sit properly. So honeymoon couples requirement will be very different. Families traveling with growing up children's requirement will be very different. We can't just give them a seaside beach holidays or just a plain temple tour itinerary. We have to ensure that there are a lot of activities for children, their learning happens, they get involved in, and they look forward going to the next destinations. So we ensure that. And so goes with our another branded tours or Wonder Woman tours. We give them the wholesome experience for the ladies. What ladies are looking from in a holiday, from their daily course when they come out and go for such holidays in women tours, what are exactly they want in a holidays. So we try to capture that and we try to fulfill that gap what they are missing in their daily routine and provide those kind of holidays to them. So we have mother and kids holidays. So many times the fathers are not able to go because of their professional commitments and all. So mother and kids can also come with us. So many times there's a solo travelers who travel with us. So we ensure that the safety is the primary concern for them. So they want to explore at their speed. We give them that much of freedom and space, but we ensure that the safety is taken care when we are providing them cabs and hotels. That's the most important in solo travel. So we ensure that the same destination is catered and designed differently for the senior citizens, for the families, for the women, for the honeymoon couples. So I think that helps Memories Worldwide to create good memories. So yes, this is all about our company and a little bit about my personal life. So I'm blessed to have two children. Both of them are grown up now. Son 27, daughter 23. They have completed their educations and now working in their respective fields. My husband is serving in PSU. He has got his own business commitments, and I'm able to nurture now my third child, Memories Worldwide, at the fullest. And we are here to take care of all your holidays, all your flights, whether it's just a religious or a spiritual tour, anything you are looking for in a holiday, we are here to cater to you.